Alrighty, so what's happening today, we're going to be modelling the behaviour of this little transformer here. So we've got 300 turns of wire on the bottom and 600 on the top. They are not electrically connected to each other. All there is a whole bunch of turns of wire in this one and a whole bunch in that one. And we've got some flux linkage here, so basically some big iron cores. Through the middle there, they're not actually connected to each other. So to start with, what I'm going to show you is the voltage going through this globe when it is not connected to the transformer. So that should be more or less 6 volts. In fact, we've got exactly 6 volts. There you go. Sweet. What I'm going to do now is not going to connect the globe to the power supply. We're going to connect the transformer to the power supply. So this will be a step-up transformer. So we're going to go from the 300 loop to the 600. So what we should see is an increase in voltage. There you go. So we've got 7.2 volts. Not quite as much as you would expect, considering that we've got twice the turns in this coil than that one, but we do see an increase there. You should also see the globe is a little bit brighter. Okay, now we're going to reverse these plugs. I'm going to use it as a step-down transformer. So the input voltage is going to 600, and then the globe is going to 300. I've got that voltmeter there in parallel as well. That's 2 volts, 2.2. As you can see, that globe is barely visible. You can see, if I move that down, it's just lit. Very low voltage, 2.2. That is a step-down transformer.